Hello everyone, I am Sabari A from grade 12. We all are here with an idea from the online session conducted by Intel for Responsible AI Youth program launched by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, National E-Governance, Intel and Division. We all know that the artificial intelligence is the simulation of human activities done by machines, especially through program and systems. By having this in our thoughts, we have just decided to compute a cleaning monitor for health development. Because on the speedy environment, we can't even take food without the usage of this synthetic fertilizers. But not well maintained, non-biodegradable wastes are much toxic than this synthetic fertilizers is proven. So having these thoughts and disadvantages in our mind, we have just decided to minimize the use of natural fertilizers instead of synthetic fertilizers. Yeah, now our student is Deepika Rani will explain about this cleaning monitor.
Hi guys, I am Deepika Rani. India has been ranked number 1 in pollution related deaths. Nearby 72% of deaths caused due to air pollution. To strictly control this air pollution, the government has taken so many measures. But how AI contributes its part to control air pollution? Yeah, it's possible with the cleaning monitor. What is cleaning monitor? Cleaning monitor is the process by which the waste can be separated easily with the help of AI. Nowadays, we generally used to dump waste together, but even now it's not degrade or burnt well. But in our cleaning monitor, it grade the type of waste, and then biodegradable waste will be used as a manure, and non-biodegradable waste will be burnt, and exhaust smoke will be outletted by filtering with the help of AI.
Hi guys, I am Rajalakshmi. On our project, we have just decided to increase the use of biodegradable